Hi everyone, welcome back to my 25th tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna discuss about one special method which is called super method. This super keyword where you call a parameter list parent constructor and it is used to call override methods. Especially this super keyword will help us to transfer the data from one class to another class. So for these things we are using a super method. Here I'm having an example. Say I'm having a class A. Now I'm creating a constructor with the two parameters. Self dot a will be stored in self dot a, b value will be stored in self dot b, and I'm passing it, and I'm creating a method add. Here I'm doing the operation add is self dot a plus self dot b. Okay, now this is my second class name is b, and I'm inheriting the class a. Here I'm creating a constructor. Here also I'm having a two parameters, so instead of that x comma y. Okay, now x value will be stored in self dot x and this y value will be stored in self dot y. Now here the super method is going to be used. Super of from the class b. Okay, I'm passing the object from the class b and comma self to init. So from the to init, what values I'm passing? X comma y. Okay, now super method from the class of b, and the object dot where I am passing to init. So what value it's carrying about? X comma y. These two values are carrying to this class. Okay, now here I have one method multiplication multiply is self dot a star self dot b. So here I'm having two methods, one is a, one is b inheriting a. In a b method I'm having constructor along with the super method. This super method will help us to transfer these two values to my class a object. Now what I'm doing, I'm creating an object to my class b, cc equal to b with two parameters 2, 5. Now what is happening here? When I am creating the object, it will go to this method. X will be stored in 2, y will be stored with 5, and these values will be assigned here, and it will go back to super method. When it meets a super method, this line will be switching to this line. Now this x and y value will be assigned to a and b. So x value is 2, so it will converted to a, and y value is 5 and it will be transferred to b. Now those values will be assigning here and it will come back to the same line. So after the object creation line, it will go to downstairs cc dot, with the help of an object I'm calling add. Okay, with the help of that object I'm calling a add method. So I don't need to pass any parameters because I already passed with the class itself. When I'm creating an object, that time itself I pass a parameter. Now, so what is happening? It will go here, it will check whether any add methods are available. Now it is not available. It will automatically inherited because I'm inheriting the a. So it will check it out. Yeah, add method is available. So operation will be happening. It will be displayed in the output. Add is 7. So if I do for cc dot mul, it will be displayed. So I don't want to create another object for class A in order to give the parameters. So with the help of creating the object, I'm passing the parameter, and with the help of super method I'm passing this value to my class A. So this is the super method. Now I'm show you the another example. Class bank. Now I'm having a constructor. I'm just passing it. Here I'm having one method which is called status. So inside I'm printing status verified. I have another class. The name is user. I'm inheriting the bank class. Here I'm having a constructor. I'm just passing it. In my next line I have one method which is called help. In the help it will print help me. I wanna know the status. So in order to call the status of the bank, I'm using the super method. We usually create a super method inside the constructor, but this kind of super method also we can do inside a method. Also we can assign super method. So from which class? From user class I'm passing the object to status. Okay, now we can check it out. See, now creating an object for user. I'm creating an object to user. With the help of that object I'm calling help method. Now we can see. Now what will happen when this line is reading, that time it will go and create an object. When this line is come up, that time it will go here and it will print this line, and it will go to the super method. So from the super method it will go to status and print status verified. Yeah, great. Help me, I want to know the status, and the status is verified. So we can give the super method inside the constructor. It's a most priority, and we can use a super method inside the methods also. I hope you would understand what is a super method and how we can use a super method and what is the purpose of super method. And thank you so much for watching this video. In my next tutorial we'll be seeing more and more different methods of Pythons. Until that, stay hungry and strive for a better tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.